Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create rules in Asana, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my homepage right now, and I'm going to go and navigate to one of my projects. In this case, I'll choose Tutorial WBS. I've used this for a previous tutorial, but it's going to work just fine for this tutorial as well. Now, once I'm here, as you can see, I have some tasks, as well as a recurring task. That doesn't really matter. And if I want to add new rules, what I need to do is go into the top right under this colorful sort of icon and click on customize. And as you can see, I already have a rule added, and I'm just going to delete that rule and just create a new one to show you how that is done. But what you need to do is under add, just click rules, and from there you can create a custom rule, or you can select from a recommended sort of template, I guess you could call it. So let's select this one, and as you can see, you can set it up however you want. So for example, when a task is added to this project, add collaborators, and then you need to specify the collaborators. In this instance, I'll just enter my own email, and then you just click publish rule, and once you've done that, your rule will be added, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.